It's so delicious that my husband asks me to make this recipe every week. Let's start by putting a drizzle of olive oil in a frying pan. Add 1 chopped onion. Sauté until soft. Add a grated carrot and fry for another 2 minutes. Chop 1/4 of the cabbage. Let me know if you like easy recipes. Put the cabbage in the frying pan and mix. Take the time to tell me where you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you a big hug and thank you. Add a pinch of salt. Cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. After cooking, put everything in a bowl to cool down a bit. Put 600 grams of minced beef in the bowl. Season with a teaspoon of salt. Add black pepper. Add coriander to taste. 2 crushed garlic cloves. Mix the ingredients well. Don't forget to leave your rating at the end of this video. After mixing, I make small dumplings with the help of my hands. This recipe is very delicious, everyone here at home loved it. In a frying pan, add a little olive oil. Add a chopped onion. A grated carrot. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add 2 grated tomatoes. Add a pinch of salt. 6 tablespoons of cream. Cook for 5 minutes. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Fry the dumplings on both sides. Grease a baking dish with olive oil. Put in all the meat we fried. Now take the cream we've prepared and spread it on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. And our recipe is ready. I'll put some chopped parsley on top. It's delicious. Easy and quick to prepare. Thanks for watching. See you next time and bon appetit!